I love that these meat grinder and grater attachments come as a set because they are so handy to have in the kitchen. There's just so much that you can do with them. So for the meat grinder, it comes with 4 grinding plates that all do different things, with 2 blades so you have a replacement if you ever need it, and also 3 different sizes of these sausage feeding tubes to help you make sausage. The tray on top helps you keep meat close by, and then you can use the pusher to feed the meat through the grinder. The instructions go over important safety information, so definitely pay attention to that. And that has lots of useful information on the 4 different plates. It will also tell you how to assemble it. I love this meat grinder because it works really well. It's so fast and easy to do, and you get fresh ground meat at home. And then I love the grater because I love to keep freshly grated cheddar cheese in the fridge at all times, and this helps me process a big block really quickly instead of having to hand grate it. But of course, there are lots of other things you could do, fruits and vegetables as well. There are 3 different size graters: large, fine, and then slicing, and they're very easy to insert. It also has instructions that tell you how to operate it, and it also comes with a bristle brush for cleaning. I love that it has this feeder to push things down into it that is curved with these little bumps on it, so it helps grip your ingredients as you're pushing them in. Overall, I love this set so much, and it is essential for any kitchen.